Hello and welcome to the RTM Pro tutorial series. Today we'll talk about the statistics function, one of the most used function within RTM Pro. I'll show you the interface and how it works. First, we need to select a numerical value. Those can be identified here in your data tree because the names are written in black color. Then we start the function by either clicking the button here in the base menu or by just double-clicking a numerical value itself. The top here is a histogram, which displays the frequency of each value within the dataset. This shows you how often a value appears, helping you to identify patterns or anomalies. Then here in the bottom, you see a run chart, which is the data over an ordinal value. And within the graph itself, you can click the change button to see the data over time. On the top right-hand side here, you have some summary information, such as the number of points, also mean value and other statistical insights about your data. And here in the settings, you can select either a minimum and or maximum tolerance limit, which will then be shown as black colored line within your dataset. And those same levels or limits will be used for the process capability study as well as the SPC monitoring. And last but not least, you can select SPC limits, which will then be shown in red color. So you see, statistics is a very quick way to visualize and analyze your data very effectively. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.